Hi, Matty here. Today I'm going to install this sideways RAM board. First thing we need to do is install the ROM chip. Make sure that the notch is at the top and that goes here. The next thing to do is to remove the 6502A processor. Be careful with this. The next thing that we're going to do is install the sideways RAM card in where the CPU was. There's pin numbers on here, and that is pin number 1 at the top, which goes to pin number 1 here. So this just plugs straight in. Should do. And there's the card installed. One problem is the board lies directly on the top here. So I'm going to make some pins to fit in these corners. So let's add these spacers that are 3D printed next. These just clip into here. Oops. And this just keeps the board separate from the other parts. Fits quite nicely there. The next thing to do is to reinstall the CPU. The notch is this way, so that's pin 1. And pin 1 is at the top of the board here, where my thumb is. So just be careful. It should just slot in and push into place, like so. So the next thing to do is turn this on and see what happens. And we can see now that the RAM board is there and MFS and basic. So if I ask it for help, there's our commands and our sideways RAM board installed. So the next thing and last thing to do is let's have a look at the RAM status. So we'll type in help RAM status, and we can see there it's all activated and the board's activated too. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you very much.